ChatGPT just got a massive upgrade. You can now use apps right inside your chat. Imagine planning a trip with Expedia or designing slides with Canva. You can even browse houses on Zillow or even build a playlist with Spotify, all without leaving ChatGPT. Hi guys, I'm Amrit Raj and today I will show you how this works, which apps are live right now, and how developers can start building their own apps for ChatGPT's 800 million users. So let us start with what is new. OpenAI is introducing a new generation of apps in ChatGPT. These apps don't live in separate tabs or websites, rather they appear right inside the conversations. ChatGPT can even suggest the right app at the right time. In case you're planning a party, it might pop up Spotify to make you a playlist. And in case you're talking about buying a house, it'll surface Zillow with an interactive map right inside the chat. Using apps is very simple, guys. Just start your message with the app's name. For example, Spotify, make a playlist for my party this Friday. The first time you use an app, ChatGPT will ask you to connect it so you'll know exactly what data is being shared. From there, the app blends into your conversation with interactive elements like maps, playlists, or presentations. It's like having your favorite services come to you instead of you jumping between tabs. Let us look at some examples of what you can do with these apps. In case you're working on a presentation, you can start with a rough outline and ask Canva to instantly turn it into a slide deck. Or if you're watching a course on Coursera, you can ask ChatGPT to explain something in the video in real time. And in case you're looking for flights for your next trip, you can shop for flights on booking.com or Expedia while ChatGPT helps you to compare the prices. And here's the exciting part, guys. If you're a developer, you can start building your own ChatGPT apps today using the new Apps SDK. It's based on Model Context Protocol, an open standard that makes it easier for apps to communicate with ChatGPT. For this, just visit the developer docs, explore the sample apps, then test your creations in developer mode inside ChatGPT. Later this year, OpenAI will open app submissions for review and even share details on how to monetize your apps. Talking about availability, apps are rolling out to all the users of ChatGPT outside EU on free, Go, Plus and Pro plans. The pilot partners available right now include Booking.com, Canva, Coursera, Figma, Expedia, Spotify and Zillow. OpenAI says more partners will join later this year and the feature is coming soon to EU users also. To conclude, guys, this update turns ChatGPT into more than just a chatbot. It is basically becoming your personal app hub. What is the first app you want to try? Canva for slides, Booking.com for booking your flights, or Spotify for playlist? Let me know in the comments. If you found this breakdown helpful, do subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.